Okay, welcome to tonight. I'm making a simple dish. It's a Korean mixed rice, also known as Bibimbap. Now on this side here, we're going to be cooking off our pork mince, and that's going to be done with garlic, with caster sugar, with the chilli, ginger, and I'm just using plain sliced mushrooms and sesame oil and light soy sauce. And then on the server side, we're going to be serving it with some kimchi, which is pickled cabbage with chili, pickled carrot. Don't worry about too much about the pickled carrot. You can always just use normal carrot if you like. Just slice, grate it up nice and finely. I'm using bean sprouts, a couple of eggs, and some shallots and coriander. It's actually a very quick dish. I know it looks like a lot of things, but trust me, it doesn't take long. It's only around about a 10-15 minute cook time. So once you're prepared, you got everything ready to go. I'm just going to be putting all this into a fry pan, and I'm serving it all with just a nice steamed rice. Okay, the first thing we do is we heat up a couple of tablespoonfuls of the sesame oil into a pan. No need for woks or anything fancy. And then we simply add the pork mince. Whoops. You can see I'm not a professional here. And we start by breaking it up and moving it around, so then that way, because I've got it on a medium heat. And about 2 minutes later, as you can see, the meat's going from pink to like a white, almost starting to cook colour. So I'm going to start adding my ginger, my garlic, my sugar, mixing it through. My mushrooms, my chili oil, my chili paste, sorry. And again, you can put as much as you like. You can even put sriracha if you've got no chili like that. It's okay, whatever you want to do. And a few tablespoons full of the soy sauce. Keep on mixing until your mushrooms become soft. Now that the sauce is pretty much almost there, that's taken approximately 8 to 10 minutes. I'm now going to put that on a really low heat and keep it warm. And then that way, I'm going to do the next step. Okay, the meat is now just sitting on a very low heat, staying warm. That's ready to go with the mushrooms. In a separate pan, I have heated up a little bit more sesame oil, and now I'm going to fry my eggs. And I'll fry both the eggs for service. Okay, now that I've got the rice in the bowl, I've taken my mince and I put that into the bowl. Smelling fantastic. And then take my carrot on the side there, take my kimchi, which is going to add a little bit of heat and some more flavour, and I take my bean sprouts, pop them over the top, my fried egg, And finally sprinkle over the spring onion and the coriander. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Korean mixed rice, or bibimbap. Hope you enjoy.